The first thing you're going to do is write your name on your paper. And then you can either leave your name on the front of your paper or you can turn it over and have it on the back. Next, you can look at all of your paper strips and spread them out on your paper. Get your glue stick ready too. I will look at my paper lines and see if I get any ideas about things to do. I'll use a glue stick, and remember, with the glue stick, you only want to have the same amount of glue as your fingernail. I'll fold up one end of my line so it looks almost like a foot, and I'll put glue on the bottom of my foot or glue on the bottom of the shoe. I'll press it down to my paper and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that should be long enough for my paper to stick. And now if I want to, I can make another foot or a shoe on the other end, and I just put glue on what would be the bottom of the shoe, and we'll hold it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops, I stopped early. 9, 10. I can take other pieces of paper and have fun trying different things with them. I think I might try to wrap this yellow line around my purple line. I'll use a little bit of glue. I know that my hand's in the way. And maybe a little more glue. And I will press these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be enough time for it to stick. Oh, it's almost like a swing. It's kind of cool looking. Oops, it fell over and came unglued. Let's try it again. I wonder if there's something I can do. I think I know a trick. When I overlap my paper, I'm going to put lots of glue on. And then I think I will bend my little pieces of paper over so I've locked it in place. And I'll let you do the counting this time. But with a tight squeeze, I think it's going to stay. Wow, I have lots more lines to work with. I wonder what I could do with this one. So many ideas. Can't wait to see what you decide to do with your lines.